Friends, we celebrated Bakrid this year, and crores of Muslims around the globe, they celebrate this Eid, our festival, and sacrifice an animal. But do you know what is the message behind it and to whom this ritual belongs? This ritual belongs to Prophet Abraham or Ibrahim alayhis salam, who was examined by the God, the creator of this universe, in many ways, but he got ready to sacrifice everything to fulfill or to obey the God's order. This ritual is celebrated every year by Muslims, and this is the symbol and a pledge that we will sacrifice everything, our sleep, our money, our abilities, even our life also, if God orders this, and we'll obey this.